4th of July episode of Mom's Escape. I'm your heavenly host, Angel. I appreciate all of your comments on my videos. A lot of you all have called me a MILF, which I'm assuming stands for Mom I'd Like to Follow. Thank you so much. Well, I'd like to follow you too. Here on Mom's Escape, we're all about giving moms a little vacation. We've chosen the 3 best clips to brighten your day. And this Independence Day episode, our theme is fireworks.
I know. He's gonna
Lauren, I'm gonna tell you, your sister is crazy.
That old man could have had a heart attack and died. He missed his purpose in life. Those tap moves were perfect. He surely templed his way right on to safety.
Hi. I mean, you gotta light it. Ready? Everybody stand back.
Ready?
Go ahead. Hurry, man.
Missy. Oh.
Bucket boy.
I think we were all hoping that would happen. Mister, I'm assuming the first time you did this, the bucket was on your head. I hope you're not a dad. Well, after that firework snapped, crackled, and popped your private, you won't be able to become a dad anyway. I've never seen birth control so explosive. I've been waiting on this moment ever since you neutered me. Take that, little Timmy. Oh, I'm a good boy. I deserve a treat. All right, I like to end each episode with some motherly advice. You should still have a social life. Let your husband babysit once in a while so you can have a ladies' night out. And return the favor too, babysit for him. Oh wait, when a mom does it, it's called parenting. Thanks for laughing with me. Please subscribe to The Mom's View, That Chick Angel TV, and AFE for more funny. If you don't, I'm coming to your house, getting on your computer, and subscribing for you. See you next week.